Woodpecker bird. The woodpecker is a fascinating and distinctive bird known for its unique behavior and adaptations. There are over 180 species of woodpeckers. Found in various parts of the world. Except for Australia, New Zealand, and Madagascar. These birds belong to the family Picidae and are known for their strong bills and drumming behavior. Here are some key characteristics and interesting facts about woodpeckers. Drumming. Woodpeckers are renowned for their drumming behavior. They use their powerful bills to hammer on trees and other resonating surfaces, creating loud drumming sounds. This drumming serves various purposes, including communicating with other woodpeckers. Woodpeckers have specialized bills that are long, chisel-shaped, and capable of penetrating into wood. Their bills are used for drilling holes in trees to find food and create nest cavities. Feeding habits. Woodpeckers are primarily insectivorous. Feeding on a variety of insects such as beetles, ants, caterpillars, and spiders. They have a barbed tongue. That they can extend to catch prey from inside tree crevice. Acrobatic climbers. Woodpeckers are excellent climbers and can move vertically and even upside down on tree trunks and branches. Nesting. Woodpeckers excavate nesting cavities in trees. Usually in dead or decaying wood. These cavities serve as their homes and protect their eggs and young from predators. Head protection, the continuous hammering and pecking could potentially damage a woodpecker's brain, but they have evolved some clever adaptations to avoid this. The woodpecker's brain is cushioned and protected by special spongy bone and cerebrospinal fluid. Additionally, they have evolved a unique tongue structure that wraps around their skull, further dissipating the impact. Communication. Woodpeckers use drumming as a form of communication. But they also have other calls and vocalizations, depending on the species. These calls help them communicate with their mates. Offspring, and other members of their community. Conservation. Some woodpecker species face threats due to habitat destruction. And human interference. Some well-known woodpecker species include the downy woodpecker, hairy woodpecker, pileated woodpecker, and the colorful northern flicker in North America. As well as the great spotted woodpecker in Europe. Observing woodpeckers in their natural habitat can be a rewarding experience. As they exhibit remarkable behaviors and are an integral part of the ecosystems they inhabit. Please subscribe our channel.